Welcome, Primary 6. Let's continue in Unit 2. We studied before the meaning of proportion, properties of proportion, drawing the scale. Today we want to solve some exercises about proportional division. Okay, let's start with the first one. Example number 1. Huda, Mona and Sana. So we have 3 persons here. Huda, Mona and Sana participated in a commerce. Huda paid £1,500. Mona paid £2,000 and Sana paid $2,500. At the end of the year, the loss of the company was £1,200. Find the share of each of them from loss. So I want the share of each of the 3 persons from loss. Okay, by the same way as a ratio among the 3 numbers, we will put the information in order as a table. Huda, Mona and Sana. We said Huda paid 1,500 and Mona 2,000 and Sana 2,500. Okay, then I want to simplify this ratio among the 3 numbers. Here we have 2 zeros, unit and tens, so I can divide by 100. The result will be 15 to 20 to 25. We can simplify. We can divide by 5. So 3 to 4 to 5. So this is the first step, to write the ratio among the 3 numbers and simplify. Okay, so Huda, Mona and Sana, the ratio among them 3, 4 and 5. What is the summation of ratio? 12. Okay, the summation of ratio here is 12. What is the summation, the real summation of loss? 1,200. So I want to distribute 1,200 among Huda, Mona and Sana according to the ratio here. Okay, so let's start with Huda. For example, the share of Huda will be 1,200 times 3, then divide 12. So 1,200 times 3 over 12. Okay, it will be 300 pounds. The share of Mona, by the same way, 1,200 times 4 over 12. The result will be 400. What about the share of Sana? By the same way also, 1,200 times 5 over 12. The result will be 500 pounds for Sana. Okay, this is the first example. Let's move to another example. Example number 2. A piece of building land is distributed between 2 brothers in the ratio 7 to 5. If the share of the first one exceeds the share of the second by 80 meters squared, find the area of the land and the share of each of the 2 brothers. So here we have only 2 brothers. The ratio between 2 persons, the first brother and the second brother. Okay, the area here is 80 meters squared. Okay, this is the area of, or this is the area of the first one. We said the share of the first one, it means the area of the first one exceeds the share of the second by 80. So this is a difference. Okay, this is the difference between the share of each of them. Exceeds, it means this is the value of the subtraction of the 2 areas. The first one minus the second one equal 80. Okay, so this is a difference. So let's arrange our information. We have 2 brothers, the first brother and the second brother. Also we have the difference here. Exceed means difference. the first brother 7 to 5, and the difference between ratios 7 minus 5 equals 2. The real difference is 80. Okay, so now I can find the share of each of them. The share of the first one will be 80 times 7 over 2. Yes, it means 280 meters squared. The share of the second brother, 80 times 5 over 2. It means 200 meters squared. So, this is the first brother and this is the second brother. Take care, here we have find the area of the land. So, I want the total area also of the land. This is the share of each brother. Also, I want to calculate the area of the land. The total area, it means I want to add the two areas here. So, 280 plus 200 equals 480 meters squared. Now, I calculated the share of each of them and the total area of the land. And this is the required here. Let's move to another example. For solving the illiteracy problem in a village, 3 classes have been opened. The number of learners was 92 persons. This is the total number of learners. If the number of learners in the first class is 2 over 3 the second class, it means first to second 2 to 3. Okay? First to second 2 to 3. And the number of learners in the second class is 5 over 7 the third class. It means second to third 5 to 7. Find the number of learners in each class. Okay, let's arrange our information by the same way. We have 3 classes here. Okay, we have 3 classes. So this is the ratio among the 3 numbers. First class, second class, and third class. First to second, 2 to 3. As we said before, first to second, 2 to 3. Second to third, 5 to 7. Okay? Okay, let's get the ratio among the 3 numbers. First to second to third. You remember? 2 times 5, 10. 5 times 3, 15. And 3 times 7, 21. Okay? The summation is here 46. 10 plus 15 plus 21 equal 46. The real summation is 92. Okay, so the value of each part, I divide 92 divided by 46. It will be 2. Now I can get the number of learners in each class. 2 times 10, then 2 times 15, then 2 times 21. So, the number of learners in the first class will be 2 times 10 equal 20 persons. Second class 2 times 15, 30 persons. Third class 2 times 21 equal 42. If you add them together, the result will be 92. Okay? Okay, that's all about our session today. Next session, we will discuss percentage. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck for you. See you next session. Goodbye.